Welcome to Royal's Fun World. Hi guys, welcome back. Do you like making stuff? Wait, let's make something. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a coffee bottle. Let's begin. To get started, you're gonna need a water bottle and some clear glitter glue and food coloring, some water beads, and you can't forget the water. Let's begin. These are water beads. When you put the water on them, they grow really big. You're gonna need a grown-up to help with this part. First, you take the water beads and pour them in a cup. Then you pour in water. Go. They grow and grow. Water beads. And now we're gonna wait for them to expand. Why we have a dance party while we wait. The beans are almost ready. While we're waiting, let's work on the next step. You're gonna need a clear water bottle. Next, we're gonna pour in the glitter glue. Ta-da! All done. Next up, we're gonna pour the water. You might need an adult to help. Bubble. Bubbly. Next, we're gonna put some drops to cover the water. It's turning orange. Now we're gonna put the water beads in. Let's go.
Whoa.
Now let's close it up. Let's shake it. Ooh, so pretty. I feel calm already. If you want to see more DIYs, just comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.